my beautiful souls out there, how are you? Welcome to Soul Arts. Beloveds, I hope all of you are safe and sound, and let us pray that we all heal soon from all these chaos and mysteries of coronavirus and all other hurdles of our lives. Right? Today, I was asked to write and say about something very vital in our lives by my inner soul. So I heard her calling and would love to share it with all you beautiful souls. And it is all about value. Yes, beloveds, value. So, what is value? Value is holding in high regard or worth, etc., right? Now, answer me, beloveds, how much do you value yourself? Do you still hold yourself in high regard? Do you? Let me make you answer it with ease through these examples. Have you ever been in circumstances where you had to sacrifice your opinion, beliefs, or needs only to please the world? So, if you have been through these circumstances, then probably your answer is no, right? Most of us have been through these situations of ours where we have been treated badly, right? Or valued less than we actually deserve, and also taken advantage of, right? If so, why did these happen to us? Is it because you are actually not worthy of the respect, worth, or value? No, dears, you are worthy of all the love and light. You are worthy of being treated right with respect and honor. So then, where did you went wrong? We might have been in a place where we give much yet are still disrespected or treated badly. All because we give overly. So when people treat us poor, it's because we allow them to do so. Be that be your friend, colleagues, lover, partner, relatives, etc. You get taken for granted. So we can decide how we react when they treat us bad or undervalue us. Yes, forgiveness is very much needed, beloveds, but it should be valid only if there is a change in their behavior towards us, right? If not, we tend to forgive and justify their behavior towards us only because of fear of losing these connections. Really? We are ready to sacrifice our self-worth for the people who undervalue us. But think of it, beloveds. Are these connections serving us? Are those who undervalue us worth of your love and compassion? But as always, your mind will find several excuses to justify their unappreciable behaviors, right? Your mind will say, it might be because there was something wrong with me or my approach towards them, or they have so many life troubles of their own. Maybe I'm overthinking. They behave only to me like this. I will change myself so that I'll get fit in. And there are many more excuses of yours. And what will be the end result? These toxic patterns will continue and the cycle will never end. We often forgive them for all their deeds and they continue to hurt us, undervalue us. So my beautiful souls out there, it's high time. It is high time you think for yourselves. So, beloveds, are these connections in your life serving you? Are those who undervalue you worth your love and compassion? The love, respect, and value you shower upon them, are you receiving it back? If so, it is high time, beloveds, to reconsider all your connections in your life. So, it is high time. Don't be afraid to cut the ties with these connections in your life. So, close the door and swallow the keys and send some healing energies to these souls, for they are too hurt souls who require healing in their life. As it is said, hurt souls hurt others. So why not send them some healing energies and know your worth and live the life you want to live. For when you raise your vibrations to the highest form, you will attract the real connections of your life. The people you call soul family who vibrate with you, who know your value, who appreciate your efforts, and they are near. So take that opportunity and live your life authentically. So my beautiful souls are there. I hope this message has reached at least one beautiful soul out there who was in need to listen this message. Thank you, beloveds, for patiently listening to this audio. And my beautiful souls are there. If you think you have a message to pass on, then don't back down. Someone is in need of you. Maybe you never know. At least one soul out there may get the benefit out of it. So, beloveds, let us share our gifts into the world and share some love and light. Thank you.